Hi, this is Jiten Kumar, and today we are going to discuss some basic concepts of chemistry. So, in which we are going to discuss expression of concentration of solution. Okay, so before going to discuss this topic, we have to understand what is the meaning of concentration. So, concentrations means that amount of substance present in unit amount of another substance, or we can say unit area of the another substance. So that quantity present in unit quantity of another substance, that is called as concentration of that particular substance. If we talk about the concentration of solution, so we know concentrations of solutions are expressed to give the idea how much quantity of any substance are dissolved in any solvent to form a solution. So we can say that the concentration of a solution means a substance is the quantity of solute present in a given quantity of solution. So we can write the definition of concentration. So concentration definition will be the concentration of a substance is the quantity of solute present in a given solution in a given quantity of solution. So this is the definition of concentration. A substance is the quantity of solute present in given quantity of solution. So majority of reactions in the laboratory are carried out in solution form. That's why it is important to understand as how much the amount of substance expressed when it is present in the form of solution. Okay, so we can write a majority of reactions in the laboratories are carried out in solutions so therefore it is important to understand how the amount of substance is expressed when it is present in the form of solution. So therefore it is important to understand as how the amount how the amount of substance is expressed when it is present in the form of solution, So the concentration of a solution or the amount of substance present in given quantity of its volume can be expressed in any of the following ways. So we can write the concentration of solution solutions can be expressed in any of the following ways. So that are, if we talk about the concentration, so we can write concentration. So concentration can be expressed by mass by mass percentage, it will be mass by volume percentage, volume by volume percentage, gram per liter, molarity, that is denoted by capital M, molality, that is denoted by small m, formality, that is denoted by F, normality, it is denoted by capital N, and last one is mole fraction. So these all are the types of concentration of a solution: mass by mass percentage, mass by volume percentage, volume by volume percentage, gram per liter, molarity, molality, formality, normality, and mole fraction. Okay, so we will discuss everything. So we will discuss first mass by mass percentage. So first is mass by mass percentage. So we can write it weight by weight percentage also. So we can write weight by weight percentage. So this is m by m percentage, and this will be w by w percentage. Okay, so what is the meaning of mass by mass percentage? So simply we can say that it is defined as mass of solute present in 100 gram of solution. So we can write the definition. It is defined as mass of solute present in 100 gram of solution so we can write in terms of formula. So mass by mass percentage is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. So this is the formula to calculate the mass by mass percentage. So we can take an example. So write the question, and question is a solution is prepared by adding, so write the question, a solution is prepared solution is prepared by adding 4 gram of a substance Z to 36 gram of water then calculate the mass percent of the solute. Then calculate mass percent, calculate the mass percent of the solute. So in this question, 4 gram of a substance Z to 36 gram of water, calculate the mass percent of the solute. So mass percent of so we can write mass percent of, here is mass percent of Z is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution. So we can write mass of solute is 4 gram and mass of solution is equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So it will be 4 plus 36. So we will get 4 plus 40 into 100. So we will get here 10% is the mass by mass percentage of this solution. Okay. Now next, if we take another example, we can write calculate the amount of glucose required to prepare 250 gram of 10% solution of glucose by mass solution by mass. So in this question, amount of solution is given, percentage of solution also given, so we have to calculate mass of solute. So just write down the formula is percentage of solution, so that is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. So we can write percentage of solution is 10. We have to calculate mass of solute. Our mass solute is glucose and mass of solution is 250 gram. This is 100. So mass of solute is equals to 10 into 250 divided by 100. So we will get 25 gram. So this is the mass of solute. Okay, so this is the simple way to calculate mass by mass percentage. Now next is second type of concentration, mass by volume percentage. So we can write second is mass by volume percentage. So we can write M by V percentage. So similarly we can define it also. Mass of solute present in 100 ml of solution. So we can write the definition. It is defined mass of solute present in 100 ml of solution okay. So we can write formula also, mass by volume percentage is equals to mass of solute in gram divided by volume of solution in ml into 100. Okay, we can write third type also. So third type is volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage. So V by V percentage. So we can define volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of solution. So we can write it is defined as volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of solution. Okay, so we can write the formula volume by volume percentage is equals to volume of solute in ml upon volume of solution into 100. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate volume by volume percentage. So let's write a question. How much water should be added to 32 ml? How much water should be added to 32 ml acetone to make its concentration 24%. Okay, so we can write concentration of solution V by V. So concentration of solution V by V percentage is equals to volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So percentage is given 24%, volume of solute also given, that is 32 ml, and we have to calculate volume of solution. So volume of solution will be volume of solution is equals to 32 divided by 24 into 100. So it will be 133.3. So we have to calculate how much water, means we have to calculate volume of solvent. So volume of solvent plus volume of solute equals to volume of solution. So we have volume of solution, that will be 133.3. volume of solvent, we have to calculate volume of solvent plus volume of solute is 32. So volume of solvent of water is equals to 133.3 minus 32. So we will write 101.3 ml of water is the amount of solvent. Okay, so these are the three types: mass by mass percentage, mass by volume percentage, and volume by volume percentage. Now next term is the strength of solution in gram per liter. So we can write fourth one is strength in gram per liter. So this is also a type of concentration in which amount of solute present in gram and volume of solution measured in liter. So we can write the amount of this solute in grams present in 1 liter or 1 dm cube of the solution. So we can write the formula will be strength of gram per liter is equals to weight of solute in gram volume of solution, which is divided by volume of solution in liter. So this is the strength in gram per liter. Okay, now next is, if we talk about the another type of concentration, that will be molarity. So molarity denoted by capital M, and molarity means number of moles present in 1 liter of solution. So we discussed how to calculate moles earlier, so now we can calculate moles easily. That's why we can calculate molarity. So we can write the definition. Molarity of a solution is defined as the number of moles of the solute dissolved number of moles of the solute dissolved per liter of solution, dissolved per liter or dm cube of solution. Okay, so this is the definition. Number of moles present in 1 liter solution, that is called as molarity. So we can write molarity equals to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Okay, so we can write number of moles denoted as N, V is the volume of solution. So we can write number of moles is mass upon molecular weight. So we can write here weight upon molecular weight upon V liter if volume is given in ml. So we can write weight upon molecular weight is 1000 and volume in ml. So this is the formula of molarity and its unit is molar. Okay, so this is the simple way. Number of moles present in 1 liter solution, we can write weight upon molecular weight, which is divided by 1 liter, and if we convert liter into milliliter, so we have to multiply it by 1000. Okay, so we can take an example. So write a question is a solution is prepared by dissolving 20 gram NaOH, sodium hydroxide, in water to make 250 ml of this solution. So calculate the molarity of this solution. So calculate the molarity of this solution. Okay, so in this question, amount of solute is given, volume of solution also given, so we can get the molarity. So just write the formula of molarity: weight upon molecular weight into 1000 volume in ml. So weight of solute is 20 gram, molecular weight of NaOH. So molecular weight of NaOH is 40. So this is 40,000 and volume of solution is 250 ml. So we will get here 2m or 2 molar is the molarity of the final solution. Okay, so in this way we can calculate molarity of solution. Okay, thank you.